Meet the newest member of the industry's best, strongest, and easiest to use port system, the all-new Pro 170 and Pro 220 ports from Wave Armor. Designed to accommodate the unique SeaDoo Switch pontoon, the new Pro 170 and 220 are also perfect for smaller V-hull boats, including popular aluminum fishing boats from 16 feet to 20 feet in length. Based upon our Pro Port series, the 170 and 220 feature the same tough roto-molded shell and the added strength of injected marine-grade EPS foam, a Wave Armor exclusive. A gradual opening, combined with soft cushioning rollers at the entrance, makes for a smooth transition from water to port, while the deep center pocket and premium rollers provide support and protection of the hull. And when used with a SeaDoo Switch, the outward channels support the outer tubes. Best of all, the Pro 170 and Pro 220 seamlessly integrate with other Wave Armor products and accessories for a clean, custom look. Leave the cables and hydraulics behind. Protect your boat or SeaDoo Switch with the all-new Pro 170 and Pro 220 ports, only from Wave Armor.